Hello everyone, I am Sriwani, online tutor. I have been teaching maths, physics and chemistry to thousands of students for more than 15 years now. I focus on various curriculum. Currently the CBSE has announced MCQ pattern for the board students. Yes, this is a new format. But children, all of you can score good. The only thing you need to do is make sure your concepts are strong. And secondly, with subjects like maths and science, you need to have a smart approach in handling the different models of questions. So in my channel, I will be focusing on the objective part with the boards as well as the entrance. Let's get started. Hello everyone. So children, today we'll solve some HOTS questions from straight lines chapter. First question is, if the line x by a plus y by b equals 1 passes through the point 2, minus 3 and 4, minus 5, then a, b is asked in the question. So the line is passing through the point 2, minus 3, which means the point will satisfy the equation of the line. So 2 by a minus 3 by b equals 1, 2b minus 3a equals ab. Again I have x by a plus y by b equals 1. The point is 4, minus 5. 4 by a minus 5 by b equals 1. 4b minus 5a equals ab. So now I will solve these two linear equations and get my values of a and b. So first equation into 2. So it's going to be 4b minus 6a equals 2ab. Second equation will be 4b minus 5a equals ab. So I'll subtract both the equations. Change the sign of the second equation. 4b and minus 4b gets cancelled. Minus 6a and plus 5a will be minus a. Equals 2ab minus ab is going to be ab. So the value of b will be minus 1 here, because this a gets cancelled on either side of the equation, so b will be minus 1. Now put b equals minus 1 in any equation. Equation 1, what do I get, children? 2b minus 3a equals ab. 2 into minus 1 minus 3a equals a into minus 1. So minus 3a will be transposed to the other side. So you have 2a equals minus 2. B value is also minus 1. So I have a to be minus 1 and also b to be, here a is minus 1 and also my b value to be minus 1. So the option D is the correct answer. Minus 1, minus 1 is the answer. The next question, the distance of the point of intersection of the lines 2x minus 3y plus 5 equals 0 and 3x plus 4y equals 0 from the line. There's a third line given here. So which means the question says you need to find the point of intersection of these two lines from the line 5x minus 2y equals 0. First let's find the point of intersection. So what is the point of intersection? I need to solve the equation to find the point of intersection. 2x minus 3y plus 5 equals 0. I will multiply 3x plus 4y equals 0. First equation multiplied by 3, what do I get, children? I will be getting 6x minus 9y equals minus 15. So second equation, if I multiply by 2, so I have 6x plus 8y equals 0. So now change the sign of the second line. 6x and minus 6x will get cancelled. So I will have, so I'll have minus 17y equals minus 15. So the value of y is going to be 15 by 17. Put y equals 15 by 17 in any equation. In equation 1, what do I get? So I have 2x, I have to find the x coordinate now of that point. 2x minus 3 multiplied with 15 by 17 equals minus 5. So 2x will be minus 5 minus 3 multiplied with 15 by 17. So minus 5 and this 15 by 17. Minus 3 into 15 by 17, if it is transposed to the right hand side, it's going to be plus, it's going to be plus 45 by 17. Now I need to take LCM here. If I take LCM, what do I get? I will have 2x equals 85 minus 85 plus 45 by 17 after taking LCM. So x is going to be minus 85 plus 45 will be minus 40 by 17 is 2x. X will be minus 20 by 17. X is minus 20 by 17. So I got the point of intersection now. So if I draw the graph, if I try to understand this sum, so it is like this. The distance of the point of intersection and the line. So I have this line now, 5x minus 2y equals 0. 5x minus 2y equals 0. And the point is here, which is x comma y. And the distance. So let me find, so this is the line. So let me find the perpendicular distance. The question is asking for the distance between the point of intersection of these two lines. What is that point? That point is minus 20 by 17, comma 15 by 17. So distance between this point and the line is 5x minus 2y equals 0. So we need to find this distance now. What is the formula? We have a formula for distance of the point from the line. So the formula is going to be mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So this is the distance, from the point x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equals 0. So my line is 5x minus 2y equals 0. My x comma y is, x1 comma y1 is minus 20 by 17 comma 15 by 17. So let me substitute it there. ax1. So a is, let me write the equations here below. 5x minus 2y equals 0. The point I have here is minus 20 by 17 and 15 by 17. So let me put the values. ax1. So it's going to be 5 multiplied with minus 20 by 17 plus b is minus 2. Minus 2 is multiplied with 15 by 17 mod of, and c is 0, divided by square root of a square plus b square, which is 5 square plus 2 square. Which is 5 square plus 2 square. So what is my distance now? Let me draw a line here. Okay, so distances will be mod of minus 100 by 17, and here 15 twos are minus 30 by 17 divided by square root of 25 plus 24 is square root of 29, children. So this is going to be 130 minus 130 inside the mod. Distance cannot be negative, so we have the mod inside in the formula itself. So it is plus 113 divided by 17, and denominator you have square root of 29. So my final answer is going to be 130 divided by 17 square root of 29. 130 divided by 17 square root of 29, which is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Now the next question. The equations of the line which pass through the point 3, minus 2 and are inclined at 60 degrees to the line root 3x plus y equals 1 is asked in the question. So equation of the line inclined to the line. So equation of the line is, general equation is y equals mx plus c. What is the slope m1 here? It is going to be m. It is inclined to the line, which is the second equation, the line equation given in the question. Root 3x plus y equals 0. I can write it as y equals minus root 3x plus 1. So here I get the slope m2, which is minus root 3. Slope m2 is minus root 3. and the angle between the lines is given as 60 degrees. So we have the formula tan theta. Tan theta equals mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So this is the formula we have. Now let me substitute it in the formula. So I have tan 60 degrees equals mod of m1. m1 is m. So m1 minus m2. So m plus root 3 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 is m and m2 is minus root 3. So it's going to be 1 minus root 3m. So I have it like this. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So when I remove the mod symbol on the left hand side, it's going to be plus or minus root 3 will be m plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3m. So now I will get the values of m from here. With plus root 3 and minus root 3, I'll be getting two values of m. So it's going to be, so with plus root 3, I will have m plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3m. So when I cross multiply, I will have root 3 minus 3m equals m plus root 3. So it's going to be 4m equals 0, which means m is equal to 0. And with the minus root 3, I will be having minus root 3 equals m plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3m. So which is minus root 3 plus 3m equals m plus root 3. So I have 2m equals, 2m will be equal to root 3 plus root 3, which is 2 root 3. 2m equals 2 root 3 I have, which means m will be equal to root 3. So I have the values of m to be 0 here and m is equal to root 3 here. My equations of the lines I have to find, which are inclined at 60 degrees to the given line. So equations of the lines. So equations of the lines, y equals mx plus c passing through the point 3, minus 2 is given in the question. 3, minus 2. And with slope m is equal to 0, I will get an equation. With slope m is equal to 3, root 3, I will be getting another equation. So passing through 3, minus 2. So y equals mx plus c. Y is minus 2 will be equal to m is 0. If I take the first slope, m is 0, I will have c value to be minus 2. C value to be minus 2. So what will be my equation now? If c is minus 2, again substitute the value of c in the equation of the line. So I have minus 2 equals c, which means my equation of the line is going to be y equals mx plus c. M is 0. So c is minus 2. The value of c is minus 2, which means y equals minus 2. Y equals minus 2 is the first equation I got. I'll be getting one more equation because I have another slope m equals root 3. So equation of line passing through, again passing through 3, minus 2 with the slope, equals root 3. So that's going to be y equals mx plus c. Y is minus 2. Slope is root 3x plus c. X value also I know, which is the point. The point is 3. Root 3 into 3. So it's going to be 3 root 3. 3 root 3 plus c I have here. So what is my c value here? Minus 2 minus 3 root 3 is my value of c. Minus 3 root 3 minus 2 is my value of c. Put it again back in the general equation of the line. So I will have y equals mx. M is root 3. M is root 3. So y equals root 3x plus c. C is minus 2 minus 3 root 3. So which option A, B, C, D matches? So this is my equation, second equation of the line. So I have these two equations of the lines which are inclined at 60 degrees to the line given in the question. Okay, and it is also passing through the point 3 comma minus 2. So let me see the options which matches here. The first option, y plus 2 equals 0. Yeah, I have here y plus 2 equals 0. So this is correct equation of line. And the second equation given there is root 3x minus y minus 2 minus 3. Okay, let me see this. Root 3x minus y, I'm transposing y to the right hand side, becomes minus 2 minus 3 root 3 equals 0. So this is also correct. So which means option A. Next question is coordinates of the foot of the perpendiculars from the point 2 comma 3 on the line y equals 3x plus 4. So it's going to be the point here 2 comma 3 on the line y equals 3x plus 4. So coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular is asked in the question. Let alpha comma beta be the coordinates. Coordinates of foot of perpendicular from the point 2 comma 3 on the line y equals 3x plus 4. This is what I have to find in the question, alpha comma beta. Now when I look here, I see the line joining 2 comma 3 alpha comma beta is perpendicular to the line y equals 3x plus 4. And we know that the perpendicular lines will have the product of their slopes to be minus 1. So we are going to use that now here. What is the slope, children? Slope of line joining 2 comma 3 and alpha comma beta. So it's going to be m1, which is beta minus 3 divided by alpha minus 2. What is the slope of the perpendicular line y equals 3x plus 4? When you compare it with the general equation y equals mx plus c, you get the slope m2 to be 3. So now this m1 and m2 are slopes of perpendicular lines. So m1 multiplied by m2 equals minus 1. Product of m1 and m2 is minus 1. What do I get here? 3 beta minus 9 equals, alpha minus beta will go to the other side. So I have minus alpha plus 2. So alpha plus 3 beta equals 11. So this is my first equation. Now again when I look here, this alpha comma beta, which is the foot of the perpendicular, is lying on this line y equals 3x plus 4. Which means this point will satisfy this line equation. So this point is going to satisfy this line equation y equals 3x plus 4. So the point alpha comma beta lies on y equals 3x plus 4. So which means y, I can substitute y for beta and x for alpha. So it's going to be 3 alpha minus beta equals minus 4. This is my second equation. So I need to solve these two equations to get the values of alpha and beta. So the first equation is alpha plus 3 beta. So I'll multiply the first equation by 3. So I will have 3 alpha plus 9 beta equals 33. Second equation is 3 alpha minus beta is minus 4. So when I subtract, I will be changing the sign here of the second equation. So what do I get? 3 alpha and minus 3 alpha gets cancelled. 9 beta plus beta will be 10 beta equals 37. Beta is 37 divided by 10. Substitute this in any equation. In equation 2. In equation 2. So 3 alpha will be beta minus alpha minus 4. Beta minus 4. So beta is 37 by 10 minus 4. So I get 3 alpha equals, when I take LCM, I will get 37 minus 40. After taking LCM, so I get minus 3 by 10. So what is my alpha here, children? Alpha will be minus 1 by 10. Alpha is minus 1 by 10. Beta is 37 by 10. Alpha is minus 1 by 10. And beta is 37 by 10, which is going to be alpha is minus 1 by 10 and beta is 37. It's option B, alpha comma beta. So alpha is minus 1 by 10, beta is 37 by 10. Option B is the correct answer. So now the next question. If the coordinates of the middle point of the portion of a line intercepted between the coordinate axis is 3, 2, then the equation of the line will be. So the equation of the line intercepted between the coordinate axis. So that is going to be this line. And the midpoint is given in the question, which is 3, 2. And this coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. So here the point will be a, 0. Here it is going to be 0, b. What is the equation of the line? That is asked in the question. So equation of the line is x by a plus y by b equals 1. So here I have to find the values of a and b and substitute it. So according to midpoint formula, the line joining a, 0, 0, b, the midpoint is 3, 2 here. So a plus 0 divided by 2 is 3 when we use midpoint formula. 0 plus b divided by 2 equals a y coordinate, which is 2. So I have a plus 0 by 2 equals 3. 0 plus b by 2 equals 2. So what is my a here? 6. What is my b here? 4. Now substitute this. Put a equals 6 and b equals 4 in this equation. What do you get, children? X by 6 plus y by 4 equals 1. 4x plus 6y equals 24. When I simplify this equation, divide by 2 throughout. 2x plus 3y equals 12. 2x plus 3y equals 12 is my equation of the line. So option A is the correct answer. Yes, students, so that's all for today. If you like my video, you can watch more in my channel.